guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm trying out another subscription box, and I'm excited for this one because it's by one of my favorite brands, Sephora, and it's called Play by Sephora. So as you can see, it comes in the infamous black and white Sephora packaging. It says Play by Sephora on the front, and it has Play by Sephora loves the planet. Make sure to recycle this box when you're done with it on the back. Not really sure if it says anything else on there because they got this big shipping label all over the front of the box, but yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this box. So opening it up, and it says show off and share using #SephoraPlay, and it's got a little pamphlet or brochure in there, as all the boxes seem to do. It says holiday survival. This one in particular says merry and bright. I'm assuming because of the Christmas holiday season that's coming up. It says be prepared for every party this season with beauty that makes your days and look full of cheer. Oh, okay, so it's got all of the products that I'm assuming that are in this box, and it tells me a little bit about each product. It tells me why it brings cheer for the holiday season, I'm assuming again, and then it tells me how to use it. So on the back, keep this guide on hand at every holiday party, whether you need a quick fix for your makeup or a get out of awkward conversation free card. We've got you covered from now until the end of the year. It has like little tips, like it says how to get party-proof lips, how to keep the conversation flowing, how bold should you go according to if you're going to a family feast, or if you're going to an office shindig, or if you're going to a cocktail soiree or a New Year's Eve. Basically from very minimal around family to very glam for a New Year's Eve bash. And it also gives tips on a 5-minute office makeover. A little tidbit here to help you determine if you should go to the party. And then it even gives steps on how to use this guide, and it includes a Play by Sephora 50 Beauty Insider Points card. It says remove your Play Pass and put it in your wallet. Don't forget to use it online or in store to get 50 extra Beauty Insider Points. And then it says to fold up this poster and put it in your bag and head out to your first party of the season. So this is supposed to be like your little guide on how to do all the things that they have here on the other side of the brochure. So let's go ahead and get into the products that they included with this box. Inside they've got a bag, and it's got Sephora Play and makeup and skincare and all kinds of cute little products, symbols all over the bags. So it's a cute little bag. It says your once a month squill inducing bag of amazingness is here. #Sephora Play. I heard that they include a different bag every month with the products that they send. I guess that this month this is the bag. Honestly, I was expecting a different type of bag. This looks more inexpensive, but I did read some comments on how the bags have changed over the years, so I don't know if maybe they're just looking for a more inexpensive way to include a bag into their box. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and look at the products that they included in this bag. First we have, how exciting, a Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder. And so if I open this up, let's look and see what a product looks like. So cute little miniature sample size, and yeah, it's just like a loose finishing powder. Yeah, you can't see through the bottom either because the bottom has like this frosted type glass. This is a loose powder that you can use as a shine reducing finishing powder that blurs the look of imperfections. This weightless powder minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines, creating a photo ready look that will make every social post tag worthy. Use as the last step in your makeup routine. Apply a small amount of powder to cheeks, center of forehead, nose, and tip of the chin. So this is actually my first Makeup Forever product. I'm actually really also excited to try Makeup Forever's HD Foundation Stick. I cannot wait to get my hands on that thing. So we have that. The next thing we have is Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. This is a lightweight eye cream that brightens and hydrates skin in an instant. This cream helps visibly depuff skin for a refreshed look. Plus, its peptides support natural collagen reserves that are threatened by work, family visitors, and holiday party overload, i.e. stress. Morning and night, apply a small amount around the eye area in circular motions until absorbed. I'm really excited to have some Clinique included in this box because I really want to try the Clinique skincare line. I also want to try the e.l.f. skincare line as well. I don't know, I just like their packaging. And to me, if you have good packaging and you're already a brand that's proven yourself, I'm gonna want to try your product. Makeup and skincare is like candy. If it's beautiful, you just gravitate. You want to try it. It's very appealing to the eye. And a fun fact about Clinique, and I only know this because I follow them on social media, is that they have a campaign going right now for some new skincare products that they released, and they literally picked a few different places in the world to launch each product. So say they have 5 products. Well, they picked 5 different cities all around the world to debut this product in. Get this, they have invited YouTube beauty gurus packed and ready to go to come to the Clinique counter at the airport to get their skin fitted for the right Clinique product for them. And then they hand them a plane ticket. These beauty gurus have no idea where they're going at this point. They open up the plane ticket and it has Morocco, Bali, Spain, and they fly these gurus in just so they can be fitted for the right skincare product for them. And not only do they get free skincare products, they have the most amazing time while they're there. They go on all kinds of excursions, they have fabulous dinners. It just looks amazing, and I'm just like in awe that Clinique would do something that awesome for their campaign. It literally makes you want to go out and buy their product just to support them for doing something so amazing. Could not believe that they were doing that, but I think it's really awesome. Anywho, next up in the box we have a Dr. Jart Plus. This is a ceramidin cream, moisture retention shield. This is supposedly a rich moisturizer that improves the appearance of fine lines, flakiness, and tightness for smooth skin. This moisture boosting cream uses ceramide to relieve dryness and skin irritation due to environmental stressors. So when the weather outside is frightful, your skin stays so delightful. Apply a quarter-size amount morning and night to cleanse skin. So I'm really excited that they included this because I was actually looking this product up online, and it's a very well-known product, and not only is it very well-known, it's also very expensive. Next, they included a sample size Sephora Collection cream lip stain. So this is the Sephora lip stain. It's a nude color. I'm trying to see what it's called. Rouge Veloute, however you pronounce that. But this is the color. It's gorgeous. I don't know about you, but whether a nude works for my skin tone or not, I love it because I just love nudes. I love the pinks, the mauves, the rosy colors. They're just so pretty and they're so flattering on so many different types of skin. Not every light nude color looks good to my skin. However, I'm still here for it. Just in case you didn't know, Sephora had their own line. These are all the lip colors that they have included in their cream lip stain line. And this is a swatch of the color that they sent. So I'm excited to try this, maybe over another type of darker color or a dark liner that I would wear on my own lips. And the brochure says that this is the cream lip stain liquid lipstick in pink tea is the name. It's a silky liquid lip stain in a nude pink shade with a matte finish. Ooh, I love mattes. This high coverage liquid lip stain provides all day wear without becoming sticky or drying out. The formula is infused with avocado oil for rich, comfortable color from morning to night. Start in the center of your lips and smooth outwards to the corners of your mouth for application. And the next product that I see in the case is Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. This is a leave-in conditioner that prevents color fading and brassiness. Sun and pollutants are no match for this on-the-go protector. It supports hair repair and keeps strands soft and conditioned with a blend of free radical fighting antioxidants. Mist through damp hair from mid-lengths to ends, then comb through, and style is normal. I'm excited to have a Moroccan Oil product. I know that they are a very well-known and reputable brand. However, I have never tried them, so this will be the first time. Then lastly, Sephora always includes every month a sample fragrance, and this month they sent over the Tory Burch Scent From Above, and it's called Just Like Heaven. And I'm really excited to have this one too because Tory Burch is a very well-known brand, and I've never tried their products. So let's see how we smell. It smells like a flower with a very sweet note on the end. A little sweeter than the normal perfume that I would wear. However, it does smell good. So I'm actually excited to have that because I love perfumes and I really want to get into trying a lot of different perfumes so that I'm not consistently always wearing the same perfume over and over. I tend to stick to what works for me, and that leaves me buying the same perfumes over and over, like Giorgio Armani Diamonds, specifically because back in the day Beyonce used to endorse that one, and I was the biggest Beyonce fanatic at that time, and I simply bought it because she was on the ad. But not only did I just want to support what she was doing, it smelled great, and so I kept buying it, and that was my go-to fragrance at the time. Still love Beyonce, by the way. So those are all of the products included in this month's box. So just a little information about this box. This box is a monthly subscription. It's $10 a month, and Sephora basically releases a video on YouTube, on their YouTube channel every month, showing you all of the products that they will possibly include into this box. And basically they go through all of the products. There's maybe about 20 of them that they'll go through, and they'll talk about them, and you know that you'll receive at least 5 of them. So you're never really quite sure of what they're going to send you until you get your box. I think that they may be one of the ones that has an email that you'll get where you can sneak peek what you're going to get, but I'm not quite sure. So don't quote me on that, because I've been looking at a lot of different subscription boxes and I'm starting to get them all confused. What I can say about Sephora is I love the brand. I love going to shop there for my makeup products. I really like the fact that they send name brand products and that they send products that I'm actually going to use, like skincare, makeup in particular, and then perfumes. I think so far out of all the subscription boxes that I've tried, this is the best fitting box for me. However, they only send sample sizes. I actually want to try maybe a different subscription of another brand's box, because I actually would like to try a subscription box that sends out either deluxe or full size products, because I'm trying to build my makeup collection and I don't really want to build my makeup collection with samples. I would like to have full size products. However, if you are always looking to try something new and to review it on your channel, I think that this box is perfect, because you're always getting different products and they're sample sizes, so you know they're going to last you at least 30 days, which is great for a lot of YouTubers or Instagrammers starting out to build their channel. But for those reasons, I would recommend this box, and this box is only $10 a month. So it's a great price as well for the name brands that you're getting. So that's it for today's unboxing. I have more unboxings to come, so stay tuned. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave your comments below. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload the next video. And I'll see you guys next time.